Okay, so I realized I have been doing videos for months now, and I have never actually introduced myself. So, this is me. I'll put up a picture here, and so yeah, I am currently going to school for forensic psychology, and I just love doing my nails in my spare time. So, as you can see, I have my little Christmas background out, and I'm going to be doing my first set of Christmas nails. I am using this Model 1's Builder Gel. This is one of my favorite brands, but I have never tried their Builder Gel. I have their acrylics, I have their polygels, but I have never used their Builder Gel, so I'm going to be trying that today as well. And then I just kind of have some decorations here. I need to prep my nails. So I'm going to start by just kind of pushing my cuticles back. And then I'm going to take my e-file, and I have this little bit on the end here I'm just going to use to go around my cuticles. Now I'm just going to take this fine sanding band and just gently buff up the natural nail. Okay, so I want to clean my brush. I've got this back and my little forms here. Actually, they're rather large forms, but I've never sculpted with gel before, so this should be interesting. So I'm going to rip this little thing here, and I am going for stiletto, so I'm going to, of course that ripped right off. It's going to be a long day. I have somewhere to go tomorrow though, so I would like my nails to be done. Okay, so I've got my form on, if you can see that. I'm going to start on the free edge. Need more than that. And I am encapsulating glitter, so it doesn't have to be perfect right away, but and there is product on all of my fingers still, so I'm just going to do the free edge. And then just kind of pull it back a little bit so it sticks when I take the form off. Now this stuff is self-leveling, so I'm going to hold my finger upside down like this for a few minutes. Well, not a few minutes, but a few seconds just to get that. And then I'm going to put it into cure. Okay, so I cured that one. So I'm going to ever so carefully take this form off to see if it is the shape that I want. Kind of pinch underneath and peel it up. So that's not too bad. And I'm going to encapsulate, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do them all like this. I know it looks kind of rough right now, but I made it a little bit longer, and then I can just kind of file what I don't want, and then I can fix it up later. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the rest of these, and I will be right back. Well, it'll take me a long time, but it'll seem like I'll be right back. So okay, so I have fought for probably about the last hour to get any sort of glitter to stick in these, and any other day it would be easy, but today it's I'm having a day. So I'm going to go back to this Model 1's Polygel. It's what I know best. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take tiniest little bead of this, and I am just going to, I'm used to the gel now, so I'm used to it sticking to my brush, and that's not how Polygel works. So anyway, I just need a tiny base layer for my glitter. And I'm gonna grab my Model 1's base coat, and a little thing there, and I'm gonna use it as slip solution too, because it does a really nice job of smoothing everything out. Have these. This is fake snow from the Dollar Tree, and then these are ornament fillers from the Dollar Tree as well, but they work really great in nails. So they are larger glitters, so I am going to try and bend them just a little bit so they will fit. The blue ones are really big and the white ones aren't, so I think I'm going to stick with the white ones. I'm going to somewhat press it in. I'm going to actually take a pair of scissors if I can find them, and I'm going to pick one of these white ones. I'm going to cut little pieces off of it just so I can add a little bit extra. So just like that. This one. Okay, so I have that cured, and I'm just going to kind of pat it down, and anything that didn't stick will come off. And then I'm going to take a bead of clear again, a larger bead this time, maybe not quite that much, but I can take some off, and I'm going to put it right on the apex. Okay, so I think I like that, and I also have these little Macart glitter that I think will add just a little bit extra to these nails. So I'm going to go ahead, and I think I'm going to do my thumb, and I'm going to add some of this as well. So it just looks like this, but I think that's really pretty for this time of year. With, of course, some of the fake snow, the little mylar pieces, and then some of these little snowflakes. It's been cured. I'm just gonna pat anything down that maybe didn't stick properly. Another bead of this. Put it on the apex area, and then push it all around. Okay, so I think on the other three, I'm just going to do the mylar bits and the Macart glitter, just to give a little bit of something different. Okay, so they look like a mess right now, but I'm gonna go ahead, do the other hand, and file these up off camera and maybe have some lunch because I have not eaten yet today. And I will be back to finish them off with you. Okay, so everything is a glittery mess, but this is what I have, so I'm gonna do a top coat. And just get rid of any dust. I'm gonna give that a cure. Sorry everything is such a mess today. My brain is not wanting to do this properly. But I pulled these out and I added some gems. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do that to the rest of them. So all I did was added some top coat. And I started with a larger one in the center. Then I put one size smaller on each side. And then another size smaller. And then one more size smaller. All of that rattling around is my dog. But anyway, so then we get something like that. There she is. And I'm going to cure that. So there we go, there they are all finished. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.